Valeur for me is something special, unique, new. I have to say sexy because it's really exceptional. You must feel it to believe it. It's soft, it's technical, it's very sensitive, but it's really something exceptional. Valeur can be used for various applications. It can be used in automotive application, for seating and for fashion industry, for handbags, for shoes and for furniture. The materials will give the sofas or the seats a high soft touch feeling, and you can use it for exclusive packaging, everything for differentiation at the point of sale. So Valeur is not only a material, Valeur is a combination of material and technology. And here BASF supports all the necessary tools you need. We have the good chemistry to produce a very good material. So it's a combination of material and technology. Designers love it. They can play with the material, they have a bundle of structures they can use, they can bring their own ideas, they can be very creative. Even you can bring in a logo or a brand protection in the design, and it helps our customers to be more successful in their target markets.